Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What is up? How y'all doing? Well, I know I have been away for the longest time. I had exams, I had so much schoolwork to do, but I'm back. So this video was actually I uploaded a picture on my Instagram, you know, this picture, and I also put it up on my story and asked if people wanted to see how I got this. It's quite easy and people actually responded positively, so I thought to do the video for you guys. Plus the video was already overdue because I asked a long time ago, so I thought to do the video for you guys. And note, I did not use so much, and this is for my girls, my 4C hair girls out there. 4C hair girls, yes, I did not use so much gel or what have you because I actually want to wash my hair, and yes, so that's why. And it's not so hard, it's not so slick because I did not use so much gel. But when you're doing yours, you can use whatever amount of gel you want to use. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hey everybody, so we're going to go right in, and you're going to be needing hair combs, brushes in different sizes, styling gel for your hair, rubber bands, hairpins, any weave of your choice, and of course H2O, water in layman terms. So let's go right in. You're going to spray the water into your hair. If you do not have the water spray, you might as well just get under a tap or a shower or something and just get your hair wet. Just let it go right in. And then first off, we comb our hair, detangle the hair, just let it all free. And then for our next step, after you finally detangle your hair, you patch your hair in halves, different halves. I think this is for the 4C hair girls typically. So if you're hair in 4C, I'm sorry sis, I don't know what you're gonna do, but this is for our 4C hair girls. Yeah. Sure, take your time though, like don't rush it. Take your time and pat that hair properly in different 4 halves. I'm counting. Yeah, 4 halves. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pack a section of the hair so we can work on the other side. So one at a time, each side gets it torn. Sorry. So let's go. And now you take out your comb and you comb it right out. After the detangling, you still have to comb again. Girls, you all have stress. You all go through stress. I'm sorry, I understand now. And then you brush it all out. Brush it from the edges right down, from the root, sorry, right out to the edges. Just brush it right out, and yeah. So you take off your gel and your little brush and you apply the gel to, that's the edges, I guess, and you just apply it straight out, you know, in any style of your choice. Well, try brushing it in for a better effect. Apply as much gel as you need to, well, not too much, you know, before it gets strong in no time. And take a rubber band and just pack that section of the hair in a bun. Yeah, but make sure the edges are really trim and into it. So yeah, make sure you pack it real good and real tight. Yeah. And of course, more gel for our edges, just to make it more smooth and more appealing to the eyes. And now we move over to the other side and work on it. Just repeat the same step all over again. You comb it out, you apply gel to the edges, you get your rubber band and you pack it all in a bun. Yeah, so we're going over that again. Yeah, there it goes. We get our hair in a bun. Again, the other section though. And then we go back to the first side, of course, and you have to repack your hair if need be, if you probably feel you didn't pack it properly or pack it properly in the first instance. So pack it properly again. Let it sit well with you. And just lay off those edges, sis. Make it look glamorous, make it look sweet. So as sweet as you want it to be honest. And now here comes our weave, and you take your weave and you wrap it right around your bun. Make sure you wrap it real tight and properly. So, and then you take your pin and you pin the weave to your hair, so that's your bun. Or yeah, and it's all loose, but here you go. You get the rubber band, you tie it all up in your bun, wrap it around your bun, and you take a rubber band and you hold it right in, make it firm. Yeah, that's it. And we get a rubber band and we hold it right in. Just take it all in there. And we do exactly the same thing on the other side. You get your weave, wrap it around your bun, take your pin and put it in place, and then once again you pack it properly in the bun and you use your rubber band to hold it in, make it firm. Yeah. And now we lay down those edges. If you want to add more gel to lay it down, you do just that, and you style it any way you find appealing and just make it look beautiful, make it glow, you know. And we take a scarf and we let our edges stay down. Just get your scarf in just right around the edges and make sure you make it tight enough, yeah, so it helps those edges stay down properly and lets the gel get it. And finally, you feel cute and you sip on your Capri Sun or your orange juice or whatever it is you please. And that is how you look cute, sis. You glow. I mean, it looks so perfect. It looks so good. And you sip on more Capri Sun. And here we go. Your hair is ready and looks good as new. Looks so stylish, so beautiful, so elegant. It's quite simple to do, and it's like ready on the go. Like you can do it in no time and get your hair up. And finally, you gloss up. Just sum it all up with that lip gloss. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Bye.